Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell Bitcoin dust on Coinbase. And by the way, if you're new to crypto and want to get started, I've put some helpful links in the description below. You can sign up for Coinbase, Gemini, Robinhood, Webull, etc. Now, let's get right back into the tutorial. Alright, so you can see the Coinbase app on my phone. So you could just open the Coinbase app on your phone. Now, once the Coinbase app is open, you will see a couple of options. If you have crypto and cash, you will see crypto and cash there. Since Bitcoin is a part of the crypto, you're going to click on crypto. A little bit about Bitcoin dust. Bitcoin dust is usually when you have a very negligible amount of Bitcoin in your account. It may be less than two cents. So you can see that I have around 1 cent, I think, of Bitcoin. So since I want to just sell it and just to keep my account clean, I'm going to sell it. So you need to click on Bitcoin. So go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. And once you tap on Bitcoin, you will see this screen, and just scroll down, and when you scroll down you can see the transactions, when you purchased this, when you sold this, the average cost. Oh wow, I've got a return of 459%. Wow, if I would have bought more Bitcoin I would have earned really well. Oh wow. Okay, so now at the bottom you can see buy and sell. Go ahead and tap on buy and sell. And once you tap on buy and sell, you will see three options: buy, sell, and convert. So in this case, we're planning to sell Bitcoin dust. So we need to click on sell option. We need to tap on the sell option. All right, now you can see an option for sell all. So go ahead and tap on sell all since we are planning to sell all of them. So it gives you an explanation of what Bitcoin dust is. It refers to a balance of under 2 cents. And now we have to tap on sell now at the bottom. So once you tap on sell now, you will see a screen like this where it says order submitted, then it quickly changes to trade successful once the trade goes through. All right, that's how you sell Bitcoin dust on Coinbase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you've not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day.